In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Samsung SmartThings with a washing machine. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Samsung washing machine, you will be able to easily attach it to SmartThings. Doing this will allow you to set up your schedule, control the laundry modes, and do a lot of different functions and features inside of SmartThings after it is connected. So to start, open SmartThings, choose the plus sign from the home screen, and then choose the option to add a new device. Once you select Add Device, you can browse through the device types and you will find washing machine or simply washer. So choose this from the list, and immediately upon selecting washer, you will get instructions on how to set it up. So tap Start and the app will guide you through the process. Usually this will be done by connecting them either over a Wi-Fi network or through some other wireless method. So as you can see for this particular model, turn on your washer, then press and hold the Smart Control button for more than 3 seconds until you see AP. So all that you have to do is press and hold Smart Control as instructed. If you have a different model, or maybe if the app updates in the future, you will see different methods to connect, so be sure to follow the instructions as they are laid out. So once you follow these instructions and you connect them wirelessly, the washing machine will now appear inside of SmartThings. So you will see the current status. You can choose the option to send to washer. You will see the cycle that you have set up, how many times rinse, how many times to spin, the water level, and so on. And you can find all sorts of useful features like laundry planner, laundry recipe, remaining laundry, and download cycles. So you can set everything up. You can do a planner so you can schedule when you want to be done with laundry. You can see the current status. You can see all of the types of laundry that you can do here, how to set it up according to the amount of spins, whites, and so on. It is easy to set up, and any Samsung washing machine will be able to be added to SmartThings. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Samsung SmartThings washing machine. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.